Solve for x. This algebraic problem has one variable, x. It has the number 2 on one side of the equals and the 17 on the other side of the equal. You need to isolate this x to find out what it means. What number is it? This is basically saying 5 times a number plus 2 is going to give you 17. The first thing you do is you look at the 2. It's a positive 2. To put it on the other side, you have to subtract it. This is plus. You're doing the opposite. The opposite of plus is minus. And what you do to one side of the equals, you must do to the other side of the equal. So if you're subtracting 2 on this side, you have to subtract 2 on this side. If you look, 2, positive 2, minus 2, make believe you had $2 and you lost $2. Negative 1, negative 2. So you're at positive 2, you lost $2. You end up on 0. So this cancels out. 17 minus 2 is 15. Bring everything else down. This is already canceled out. Bring this down. This is 5x. Bring down the equals, don't forget. Now here you had a positive 2 plus 2, and you did the opposite, which is subtraction. Here you have 5x. 5x is really telling you 5 times a number. This is really saying either 5 times x, or it is saying 5 times x. The opposite of multiplication is division. I'm going to divide it by this number because I have to get it to the other side. I have to do the opposite. If this is multiplication, I'm going to do division. So I'm dividing it by 5, and what I do on this side of the equal, I have to do on the other side of the equal. Divide this by 5. Now, 5 over 5 is the same as saying 1. And we know that 1 times x is x. So this is done. On this side, how many times does 5 go into 15? 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 15 3 times. 3 over 1 is the same thing as saying 3. You're bringing down the x equals 3. Now you have to see if this is in fact correct. X equals 3. Let's see. You're going to check this. Check. The 3. You're going to put 5 times 3 plus 2 equals 17. Remember your order of operation. You must do multiplication and division first, then you do addition and subtraction. So you're not going to touch this. You're going to touch this because this is multiplication. So either multiplication or division first. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 2 equals 17. 15 plus 2 is 17 equals 17. Check. X does equal 3.